we're back on this 86 S10, and they accidentally sent him 2 evaporators, which is a good thing. And when I look down the brand new evaporator, when you look down here, that's where the orifice tube is supposed to be, down in there. There is nothing in there. So I'm betting, because the mechanic shop that did this doesn't do AC normally, that their mechanic doesn't know about orifice tubes. They stuck the new evaporator on there and there's no orifice tube. That's why I got 49 psi on the low side. It's 58 degrees outside or so, so that's why I got such a cold temperature coming out the liquid line. And here is the old evaporator, which I know they didn't stick the screen back on, and it's kind of nasty looking. And there's our orifice tube. There's our missing orifice tube, I bet you. Okay, and it's dirty looking anyway. So there's debris in the system, and since I think I see debris in there, that will explain why the liquid line is a little bit cool, because there's some restriction in there and it's dropping temperature, but it is also 59 degrees. We'll find this out. I'll pull this out of here and we'll see what it is.